Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction? All a gunshot in them bambacla. And today, guys, we're here with Rimzee featuring 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Rimzee featuring 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with us music with the call The Game. That one I just dropped 1 minute ago. And I'm here. I is here. Fuck out of here, man. I'm here. Go. You the G them I say. Let's go. Bambacla. Real rap. No cap. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Pick up yourself, G. Rimzee. Or G.
Yo, that day they factory set, but I flooded my wing in Lewis.
Hold on. You need to give it like a 10-second warning before you drop so, brother. You know if you go so hard and at the first. Just wait, no man. Just wait, no Rimzee. Hear me say.
Yo, that day they factory set,
Yeah.
but I flooded my wing in Lewis. Presidential rollie Putin, and it's marble floor in Jewish.
Jesus Christ, he's flossing. He's doing the most. He's flossing. He's doing what he does best. He does Rimzee. Shit.
But I flooded my wing in Lewis.
Let's
Yo,
go.
That day they factory set,
Yeah.
but I flooded my wing in Lewis.
Yeah.
Presidential rollie Putin, and it's marble floor in Jewish. In that petrol bath, well, like my skin was burning. Countless jewels with Kermit, and all them straps I earned it.
Hold on, man. Something sinister is going on here, but we like it. Something sinister is happening here, but we like it. What the fuck? Why about that? Let's go.
Yo, that day they factory set, but I flooded my wing in Lewis. Presidential rollie Putin, and it's marble floor in Jewish. In that petrol bath, well, like my skin was burning. Countless jewels with Kermit, and all them straps I earned it. Budge in a presser, hand a TT like mega.
100. Hold on, iPad. You go easy a bumbo class. Siri. Hey, Siri. Stop, go some pring every minute. Me I do a video, please.
There's nothing to stop here. Check if the device is on your home Wi-Fi network.
Siri, what's my name? Hey, Siri, what's my name? Siri, suck your mother. I'm back, you're trying to interrupt man thing. Sorry, let's get back to the video.
And all them straps I earned it. Budge in a presser, hand a TT like mega. Niggas fucked out the game, when I done 2 for a tenner.
Jesus Christ, I've always been talking about that shit. Don't ask me how I know, but me know. The pussy them will fuck up the game. What on, man?
Hand a TT like
What
mega.
on, man?
Niggas fucked out the game, when I done 2 for a tenner.
Me say, you see the pussy them will start that shit. The whole out of suck on the mama, man. And that me I tell you no. Brother, wanna fuck up the game, brother. 2 for a tenner. 2 for a tenner. Imagine. 1 for 20, that was bad enough. 2 for 35. Alright, cool. That we can go on with that. But brother, tenner, brother.
Hand a TT like mega. Niggas fucked out the game, when I done 2 for a tenner.
Better me go sell weed. Better me go sell bumbo clot weed, brother. What me I do with 2 for a tenner? Sometimes the pussy them come with all 8 pounds for 2. Wanna suck on the mama with that? Bumbo clot fuck up the game now. The game fuck. The game fuck with no condom. Bumbo clot. Mr. Me not. Hey, you see them boy there? Rimzee. Big up yourself for speaking on this. This is something I always talk about. Don't ask me, I know, but me know. The pussy them fuck up the game. Me bumbo. Shot phone, man.
Presser, hand a TT like mega.
Cha.
Niggas fucked out the game, when I done 2 for a tenner.
If you know, you know.
SVR interior mayo. I let it spin like the radio, I'm really from the block. J-Lo.
Ooh, from the block like J-Lo. Jenny from the block. Thick.
SVR interior mayo. I let it spin like the radio, I'm really from the block. J-Lo. I should have been big like Goliath, but the game's rigged, it's biased.
Master tell you right here, so yo, him not get the justice when he get it at the game. Him should have been big like Goliath. But the game rigged, the game fuck up. Because he's not becoming an industry plant. Because him not do what them want. Because him not do what the other artists them a do. Him not get what the other artists them do. But him cool with that. Him good.
You're ready for the block, J-Lo. I should have been be like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
Bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying. If a chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
Hey. Approach with caution, mama.
I should have been be like Goliath, but against Rick this bias. They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying.
Big drip and they ain't drying. Them say me no lit, lie them a tell. Them lie like a house of parliament. Them be a lie them tell. Politicians them lie. Yeah. I'm dripping. Yo. What?
Against Rick this bias. They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying.
Yeah.
If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching. I hear rumors and discussing. All cause I come from nothing. I should have been be like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
Bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying. If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching. I hear rumors and discussing. All cause I come from nothing. They see me in parties lit with Barbies, making the whole place jumpy.
I'm sitting at the party, I link with the Barbies, them I make the whole place jump. The pussy don't like that, Addy. They don't like it, me G.
All cause I come from nothing. No. They see me in parties lit with Barbies, making the whole place jumpy. And think I'm a target cause I'm from OT, but I be more than comfy.
You're from OT, where OT there? Outer town. Oh, cause he's from outer town. He's not from London. Where is he from? Is he from Brighton or somewhere, right? He's somewhere down on the south, right? He's not from London. So basically the boss will tell us right so yo, because he's not from in town, in London, you don't know. People are gonna always have shit twisted. The boss will do it.
I hear rumors and discussing, all cause I come from nothing. They see me in parties lit with Barbies, making the whole place jumpy.
Barbies?
I think I'm a target cause I'm from OT, but I be more than comfy. She wants a smart whip, my one's dumb quick. We taking off if I dump it.
She want a smart whip, she want a smart car. My one is dumb quick. Formula One, Lewis Hamilton.
OT, but I be more than comfy. She wants a smart whip, my one's dumb quick. We taking off if I dump it. She don't normally go for a geezer, but she got me creaming her crumpet.
Yeah! Rude! Disgusting! But I like it. Hey, y'all want cream your crumpet too. Bumbleclad, no one cream your crumpet.
I think I'm a target cause I'm from OT, but I be more than comfy.
Yeah.
She wants a smart whip, my one's dumb quick. We taking off if I dump it. She don't normally go for a geezer, but she got me creaming her crumpet.
Yeah.
My town's small and full up with pebbles. The cat shoot up by the beach. I was in school playing around my mates. Didn't know that his mum smoked weed.
Whoa. Big up your friend. Whoa, okay.
The cat shoot up by the beach. I was in school playing around my mates. Didn't know that his mum smoked weed.
The mom smoke B, man smoke bro, the mom smoke heroin. Addiction is a mad thing, you know.
The cat shoot up by the beach. I was in school playing around my mates. Didn't know that his mum smoked weed.
No.
The love chain quick, now the kid's blown up. Some man want a cap on me. What? Big bro told me to laugh it off. If they think they're bad, they'll actually see. Let's see. I should have been be like a lion, but against Rick this bias. They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying. If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching. I hear rumors and discussing, all cause I come from nothing.
Nothing.
I should have been be like a lion, but against Rick this bias. They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying. If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
Hold on there. Hold on, let me say something.
Ain't drying. If your chick hops.
How could I miss that part? If your chick happy, she'll get fuck in her hole. If your girl happy in this, she'll get fuck. Remember, say me a fucking right through. Yeah, from here till later morning, move your blood clot and send her home to you. After me done cream up the crumpet, move your blood clot. If she happy, she'll get we fucking, baby, we fucking.
This bias. They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and they ain't drying.
Move.
If your chick hops in, she fucking.
Fucking.
Don't run up on me, I'm clutching. I hear rumors and discussing, all cause I come from nothing.
Club, never seen that Calabia forward. Chest
Game's
kid.
the game, bro.
Heard to buy A-Doji.
Checkmate.
Checkmate, Club. Free the streets, guys. Please make sure you go out and cop this right away. Let me give you a close up on the mixtape when I forward out, see ya. Let me give you a close up on it. See ya. Go out and cop this, guys. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Gee. Bumbleclot. Yo! Me never see that one here forward still. Me never see that forward. Me can't tell you the truth. Yo! Free the Streets out soon, guys. Make sure you go and cop it. Please go and cop this shit, yo. This shit is going to be fire. Pre-order your one from now. Make sure you pre-order your one from now, because you don't know when time Rimzee dropping up, bro. It's on all digital platform also. Official stores, iTunes store, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, Amazon Music, Deezer, HMV, Amazon as well. So make sure you want to go out and pre-order that one. So when the G drop it, you don't know, say, curse. He want to make a profit, so go out and cop it. You don't think go. Yo, Rimzee, make up yourself, bro. Make up your bumbo class self, me G. Yo, this fire though, this fire. I think I'm gonna go and listen to it. Yo, my favorite line. The pussy them will fuck up the bumbo clock game and I start tell two for tenner. Uno suck on the mama man. Uno no sense how brother. Something wrong, I don't know. Vex me. Fucking vex me. Vex me. Fuck up a game. Don't care come now with our 2v7. Suck on the mama.
They factory set.
Yeah.
I'm flooding my wing in Lewis. Presidential rollie Putin. And it's marble flooring Jewish. In that petrol bath. Well, like my skin was burning. Countless jewels with Kermit. And all them straps I earned it.
Yeah.
Budge in the presser. Had a TT like Mega. Niggas fucked out the game. When I done 2 for a tenner.
Suck on the mother.
SVR interior mayo. I let it spin like the radio. Ready for the block. J-Lo. I should have been big like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
Bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and it ain't drying.
Move.
If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
Yeah.
I hear rumours and discussing, all cause I come from nothing.
I should have been big like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and it ain't drying.
If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
I hear rumours and discussing, all cause I come from nothing.
OT.
They see me in parties, lit with Barbies, making the whole place jumping.
Jumping.
I think I'm a target cause I'm from OT, but I be more than comfy.
Comfortable.
She was a smart whip, my one's dumb quick. We taking off if I dump it. She don't normally go for a geezer, but she got me creaming a crumpet. My
Creaming
car's small and full up with
crumpets.
pebbles, the cash threw up by the beach. I was in school playing around my mates, didn't know that his mum smoked beat. The love chain quick, now the kid's blown up. Some man want a cap on me. Big bro told me to laugh it off. If they think they're bad, they'll actually see.
I should have been big like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and it ain't drying.
If your chick hops in, she fucking.
Bumbo
Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
If she up in, she get fucking her wall now.
Come from nothing.
I should have been big like Goliath, but against Rick this bias.
They say I ain't lit, they're lying. Big drip and it ain't drying.
If your chick hops in, she fucking. Don't run up on me, I'm clutching.
I hear rumours and discussing, all cause I come from nothing.
Bumbleclot.
Game's rigged, bro. Game's a game, bro.
Yo, I like the concept of this. I like the concept of this.
Checkmate.
Checkmate. I like the concept of this. I like the concept of this. So the boss of the so I played chess. At the end of it, you hear me tell you say, yo, the game rigged. And the chess game I'm talking about, and the music business rigged because the boss supposed to the further than wish for him there because the fans them love him. The fans them love him. But because the gatekeeper them I put lock pan gate and no go. Someone got dead left it because when you come see it, got dead left it too. Stop gatekeep. Bumbleclot, gatekeeping time over now. Move and go away. That me I say. Anyway, guys, please make sure say you go and support the G's Feed the Streets mixtape that's coming out very, very soon. The big up yourself, big up yourself. We got the production team behind the one here. Big up Rimzee's whole team behind the one here also. They put in so much work to get this project up and running. Big up for yourself. This time I'm gonna do the one. Still, if you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you guys. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.